This is Rajeev Maurya, and today we are going to discuss a new topic that will be on division of integer. I hope you will understand the division of fraction to yourself, and I think that you have no any doubt in the previous topic, that was the multiplication of fraction. So students, we shall solve the question multiplication on fraction, but before, let us discuss the division of fraction. After that, we shall solve the both topic, that is the multiplication of fraction and division of fraction. So let us see what is the division of fraction. Suppose that a upon b be any fraction and c upon d be the another fraction, and we have to divide the fraction a upon b by the fraction c upon d. In order to find the solution, that is in order to divide a fraction by another fraction, we write the first fraction, that is a upon b, as it is, and now convert the sign of division into the multiplication. Since we know that multiplication is the reverse process of division, therefore when we write the reverse operation of division, then the second fraction will also be reversed. But here it will be not fair to say the reverse of fraction, so we should use the word reciprocal of second fraction. Therefore, we have to write the reciprocal of the fraction c upon d. Then here we get d upon c. Okay. Now we get the result as ad upon bc, which is the solution of the question, which is a upon b is divided by c upon d. Now let us see the division of fraction using a counter example. So let 3 upon 5 is divided by 6 upon 30. Okay, 3 upon 5 is divided by 6 upon 30. So in the first step, we write the first fraction as it is, that is we write only 3 upon 5, and we write the reverse operation of division, that is the multiplication, and now we write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Then here we write 30 upon 6. Now we can see that 5 1 is 5, 5 6 is 30, 3 1 is 3, and 3 2 is 6. So we get 6 upon 2 as the result. Since in the last video I told you that whenever a fraction contains common multiples, then we remove them by cancellation property in order to write the fraction in its simplest form. Therefore, here we can see that 2 1 is 2 and 2 3 is 6, and at last we get the result as 3. Therefore, 3 will be the right answer. Therefore, 3 is the right answer. I hope the solution of division of fraction is clear to everyone. Now let us see the solution once again. So let us see. The given question is 3 upon 5 is divided by 6 upon 30. In order to divide, we write the first fraction as it is and the reverse operation of division. The reverse operation of division is the multiplication. And in next, we write the reciprocal of other fraction, that is 6 upon 30 can also be rewrite as 30 upon 6, and now we cancel those numbers which are present in this expression as common factor and cancel them. So after the cancellation we get 6 upon 2. Here in 6 upon 2 we can also see that the numerator and denominator both having a common factor as 2. Therefore, we also remove them and at last we get the result as 3. So this was the division of fraction of the second topic of this chapter, and I hope that this is clear. Now let us see the questions that based on these two topics. So let's start the exercise. First of all, we shall solve the question which is based on the multiplication of fraction. The first question is given that 2 upon 3 multiplied by 12. Okay, as I told you that whenever a fraction is multiplied by the whole number, then the whole number will always multiplied with the numerator of the fraction. Therefore, 12 will multiply with 2. Okay, never you will multiply the whole number by the denominator of fraction, because if you have any confusion, then you can write upon 1 with the whole number in order to convert the whole number into the fraction. Whenever we divide any whole number by 1, then the value of that whole number will always remain unchanged. Therefore, now the both numbers become a fraction and we know how to multiply them. So we get 2 multiplied by 12 upon 3 multiplied by 1, and here we get 24 upon 3. Since as I told you that whenever the fraction having the common factor, then we have to remove them. Therefore, 24 can be written as 8 multiplied by 3 and 3 will remain as it is. So here 3 and 3 become cancelled out and we get the result as 8. Therefore, 8 will be the right answer. Therefore, 8 is the right answer. Okay students, so I hope it is clear. Now let us see the next question. Sometimes the product and the one number is given like this: dash multiplied by 11 upon 3 is equal to 11 upon 52. Sometimes the question is given like this, and here we have to find the other number that should be multiplied with the given number 11 by 13 in order to get the value 11 upon 52. So in this case, we suppose when x multiplied with 11 upon 13, we get the product as 11 upon 52. Now here we can see that x multiplied by 11 upon 30 is equal to 11 upon 52, which looks like a linear equation in one variable, and we know how to solve them by the transposition method. So here 11 upon 13 will go in the right side, and here we get x is equal to 11 upon 52, and when 11 upon 13 will go the right side, then we write its reciprocal, and here we get 13 upon 11, and now we can see that 11 and 11 cancelled out, 13 1 ja 13 and 13 4 ja 52. So here we get 1 upon 4. Therefore, when we multiply 11 by 13 by 1 by 4, then we get the result as 11 upon 52. Okay. So in this way we can solve the question. So I hope that it is also clear. Now let us see the question that is based on multiplication of fractions, but here we use the fractions that are given in mixed position. That is, here we solve the multiplication of mixed fraction. The question is given 4 whole 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3 whole 1 upon 3. We have to find the product of these two fractions. So as I told you that if the fraction is given in the mixed form, then we cannot multiply them directly. So in order to multiply these two mixed fractions, first of all we have to convert these mixed fractions in improper fraction. So here we get 2 4 are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2. This is the first, multiplied by 3 3 are 9, and 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. Okay. Now we can see that the mixed fraction is converted into the improper fraction, and we know the idea to multiply the given fraction. So here we get the result 9 multiplied by 10 upon 2 multiplied by 3. As I told you that if we see the common factor in the fraction, we remove them. Therefore, we can see that 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. So here we get the numbers are 3, which is multiplied by 5 upon 1 multiplied by 1. Therefore, we get 15 upon 1. Here also I told you that if any number is divided by 1, then its value is always remain unchanged. Therefore 15 upon 1 can also be written as 15. Therefore 15 is the right answer. Therefore 15 is the right answer. Okay. So in this way we can solve the problems in which the fractions are given in mixed form and they are to be multiplied. Okay. So I hope the multiplication of fraction is clear to everyone. Now let us see the division of multiplication. The first question is given that 3 upon 9, which is divided by 3 upon 5. In order to divide the fraction, as I told you that first we write the first fraction as it is. So here we write 3 upon 9 as it is. And we write the reverse operation of division, that will be the multiplication, and we also write the reciprocal of the other fraction. So here we get 5 upon 3. Now simplify them. So here we get 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3. Okay. After this we can see that there is no any common factor. So we need not to remove any more, and at last we get the result as 5 upon 9. Therefore 5 upon 9 is the right answer. So students, I hope it is clear to everyone. So I hope that the multiplication and division of fraction is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention there. I will clear in the next video. I also giving you some question to solve. So we shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.